Hello, welcome back. I know, and I haven't posted for a very long time, but I will have to take it slow so I can go back in the game. Now, today we'll be playing this game. I have in my PC the GTX 780. Very surprising, the video card is still working after I done a reflow on it by mistake. Some settings that I didn't expect it to happen, and the video card is still working. So 16 pounds video card. Yeah, I like the menu because it's very simple, full screen, quality very high, and that's it.
Wait, I can see a little bit.
I can see.
But it's so blurred. I need to find a way to get warmer.
Oh, I like it.
Something
Looks like
odd
Fallout.
is happening. The last thing I remember
Keep telling me to press
is
enter.
that I was at my friend Joanna's house. If I recall, it was
Laggy.
the
30
2nd of
frames.
July, 2019.
Indoor lock.
Let's find out what's going on.
What the cockamamie is this? Alright, so arrows like this. Like GTA.
Oh, I see. I need to connect the electric flow to open the door. It looks like these directional arrows have something to do with it.
Like this, I think I done everything and it's still not working.
Oh, yes! Well done!
One was missing, okay. Okay, I can do F5. It's like Fallout. Saving. Alright.
Oh, it's so cold.
I like the blurry effect on.
Wait! I'm sure if I touch this steam, I'll freeze to death.
This voice sounds similar to somebody. It's like I saw somebody.
Electric sparks. Shit.
I have to jump somehow. Yeah. Right. Shift. I pressed then, but so I have to release shift only to get momentum. It's like, what? No, I can press two keys at the same time.
God, this place is much warmer. Oh, but I'm still too cold. Fucking hell, and I can't see right.
Why are you sweating?
Oh, fuck.
Stop sweating.
What's this green light? Oh, they seem to have something to do with opening these doors. Oh, I best follow.
Cockamamie is here.
See where they lead.
I'm guessing
I
this
can't
is the
carry
loot
anything
stuff.
until
Okay.
I find a backpack.
Okay, so you need a backpack. What was this? PUBG? Alright. Going somewhere left, right, left, right. Door. No. Here. Alright. Have a light.
Hey, maybe I should find some hot water to warm up.
Alright, I got a light. Where was the switch? I don't know.
No, I'll search the house later. My priority is getting warmed up now. Maybe there's something in the bathroom.
Is there a bathroom? Oh, that's the light. Nice. Right. Okay. I had some water. Next. I like the flash. Alright, that's it. It's pissing me off. What do I have? Look, a backpack. Equip.
You have a new message.
Alright, very fascinating. Super nice. Inventory tab. No. Hello, do you remember?
Hey there, my friend. I hope that you remember me. I'm Joanna, and you're in my house right now. It's normal if you don't remember everything from the past. You've been cryogenized for 100 years. That means we're in the year 2119. The cold has probably affected your brain a bit, and also your voice. People who have been cryogenized have electronic devices implemented in their bodies.
Nice.
Some of them are used for measuring your health, thirst, hunger, stamina level, and to display them on the computer you've got on my desk. Let me tell you what's happened and why you're waking up now. Like the Maya had predicted, a big change occurred in 2012. From that period, the world economy had fallen down. A terrible riot broke out in 2017. The population turned against politicians who abused the people. The confrontation lasted for years and has probably destroyed all of humanity. If you don't remember, I'm a scientist and archaeologist who studied the Mayan civilization. We decided to cryogenize as many people as we could to survive the revolution. I woke up a week ago. I went outside to investigate and see what remains. I have a computer that can recharge itself with solar energy. Like most of my equipment, my house is also using solar energy. So I can record messages and send them to your computer. Be aware that your computer has a battery. The battery level is displayed on the top right of your screen, close to the time. When the battery level is down, you won't be able to use the computer anymore, which means that you won't have access to your inventory either. So you'll have to find a photovoltaic panel to be able to recharge the battery. Find it quickly before it's too late.
Solar panel. Say solar
Be
panel.
very careful outside. During the day, it can get really hot, and you'll become thirsty quickly. During the night, it's also very dark and cold. You'll have to eat to prevent starvation. I have some things I need to do now, but feel free to search my house. You'll find a flashlight, a gun, and ammunition. Once you find these items, you can meet me in the garden, near the gate.
Alright, I can fill up the bottles with. Okay, so I went online because I was like pretty boring. It became very boring with the whole thingy and with the flat, and I saw after. I don't care. Apparently there is a door inside. Maybe I can find the gun and actually open the door and unlock. Open the light. Each time new equipment. Give me the gun and let me go. Hours of go. Give him 12 hours of a good night's sleep. Yes, exactly. Four, 1, 6, 8. Nice. I like the save. I forgot. I like the bug. I already already opened that one. Cause I saw the guy on YouTube. What cocker made me hit me? Okay, so I got a big wall.
I need a pickaxe for that.
Pickaxe. Holy mother of sweet baby Jesus.
You have a new message.
Can't meet you now. Where was that guy? This one. Look, 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 look. Whoa.
Wait, those explosives? Oh shit. I need to keep away from these guys. Oh man, these people are crazy.
Who's shooting?
I need to keep my distance from these dudes. I don't want them to blow up in my face. Wait, those explosives? Oh,
Nice.
shit. I need to keep away from these guys.
Of course you need to keep away from them.
Oh man, these people are crazy.
Like you. Oh, that water is not good. What had happened? No, I don't wanna know. Fantastic, fantastic. My GPU is good. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.